The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Cotton County in southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Clay County in northern Texas, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northwest of Byers, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Warrega, Petrolia, Byers, Hastings, Addington, Sugden, southeastern Warrega Lake, Taylor, and Charlie. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.